There we go. Good look at that. Get him in. Nothing. Oh, got one. Nice.
That string would be money, I think, that little channel.
Yeah.
Taking off the end, that's why I did it. There we go. Man.
I lost one of my flies. Yeah. What's up, everyone? Andrew here with Family Fly Ties. Thanks for taking a moment to watch my video. I'm currently fishing with my friend Trent. As you've seen it in my other videos, we're fishing a great river in Utah, Mountain River. Looking forward to a great time. Trent's already got into a great fish. We've got into a few good fish as well. I can't complain. We're looking forward to another great day. Cheers to tight lines. Got one. Come on in. Come on in. The water's fine. There's a good number of fish in here. I've already seen like 6 fish move. So go ahead and get in.
It looks like you're on the indicator, huh?
Oh yeah, it felt too slow for the my drift. I couldn't sense it well. But that could be just me again. I'm new to
Nice. Do you want to borrow one of my indicators? Try it out.
Yeah, I think it'd be cool to give it a go with those. Oh, no way. I lost one of my flies. Yeah. Nothing. Oh, got one. Nice. Horrible.
Yeah, it's in a whole other thing.
Yep. There's gonna be one right there. Yeah. Oh, finally.
Yeah, see right through there, Euroing that string would be.
I didn't have this camera on. Dang it. So no one saw that sweet set. Yeah, he was down below right where you were.
Oh. Yeah, I caught right
Oh.
in the set.
Yeah, he was down below right where you were.
Oh. Yeah, I caught right in front of me. Little guy.
Yeah, I saw 2 smaller fries where you were. Never touch.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so when you fish areas, you never touch. And then all of a sudden, this shocks me. I was sure there was a hungry fish. Oh my goodness, that was pure luck. He had it in his mouth when I was setting. I mean, when I was resetting.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that was pure luck. Pure luck. I think I started my top one. Oh no, I did. Okay, good. I'm going to hit down below while you're up above.
Okay.
Yeah, they're liking that peacock. Birdie.
Oh, nice.
Interesting. This is prime money. Money. Oh, nice one too. Oh, I just missed one looking at you. Got him. Oh! No! No!
He's got to stick with him.
Oh, does he? Oh, no.
Right.
You need me to net?
Yeah. You do. Nice, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, he totally got you. That's a great fish right there.
I know.
That's a great fish.
Okay. Sorry. Sorry to use your hook here.
I've already missed. It looks like I may have missed the 200 fish over here. Which sucks. Nope, it's not one of the big ones, but is on not one of the big ones, but on the new fly I just put on. The one that was working here last time. So that's good. What a beautiful rainbow, though. He was up in those riffles. He was up in those riffles. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Great fish. There we go. I don't know what's going on with that, but good fish though. I can't complain. Good fish. Do you see? Well, Trent and I had a good day. Can't complain. Got some good fish. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. It sure helps. Cheers to tight lines.